Hi friends, welcome to ALS Max JEE YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about Bernoulli's differential equation. This Bernoulli's differential equation is useful for intermediate students and CBSE plus 1 plus 2 students and degree students, and it is useful for MSET, JEE mains and advanced. A differential equation of the form dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x into y power n is called Bernoulli's differential equation. Is called Bernoulli's differential equation. Solution for this one is, first we divide this differential equation with a function in y which is on right hand side. Here a function in y on right hand side is y power n. So entire differential equation is divides with y power n. We get 1 by y power n into dy by dx plus p of x into y by y power n equal to q of x into y power n by y power n. Here y power n cancel. 1 by y power n into dy by dx plus p of x into y power 1 by y power n. A power m by, we know that a power m by a power n is a power m minus n. Y power 1 by y power n is y power 1 minus n equal to q of x. Put y power 1 minus n equal to z. Y power 1 minus n equal to z. Differentiate this one with respect to x. We get derivative of y power 1 minus n is 1 minus n into y power 1 minus n minus 1, and derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx equal to derivative of z with respect to x is dz by dx. Here plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So we get 1 minus n into y power minus n is nothing but 1 by y power n into dy by dx equal to dz by dx. Multiplying given dE with 1 minus n, we get, suppose this one is given dE, let it be equation 1. Multiplying equation 1 with 1 minus n, 1 minus n into equation 1, we get 1 minus n into 1 by y power n, 1 minus n into 1 by y power n into dy by dx plus 1 minus n into y power 1 minus n into p of x equal to 1 minus n into q of x. Here we get 1 minus n into 1 by y power n into dy by dx equal to dz by dx. Put this value dz by dx here. We get this value is from this one, this value is dz by dx plus 1 minus n into y power 1 minus n is nothing but z into p of x equal to, on right hand side, 1 minus n into q of x. Here this can be considered as q1 of x, and 1 minus n into p of x is considered as p1 of x. So we get dz by dx plus, here 1 minus n into p of x is considered as p1 of x into z equal to q1 of x, where p1 of x equal to 1 minus n into p of x and q1 of x equal to 1 minus n into q of x. This is a linear differential equation in terms of z. Here dependent variable z contains power 1. So power 1 means z is first degree term. So this linear first degree is nothing but linear. So this differential equation is linear differential equation in terms of z. Integrating factor of this one is integrating factor equal to e power integral p1 dx. Here p1 is nothing but p1 of x. p1 is nothing but p1 of x. General solution for this one is general solution for linear differential equation in terms of z is z into integrating factor equal to integral q1 of x into integrating factor into dx plus c. This is the general solution for linear differential equation. We know that z equal to y power 1 minus n. So put z equal to y power 1 minus n. We get y power 1 minus n into e power integral p1 dx equal to integral q1 of x into e power integral p1 dx into dx plus c. This is the general solution for Bernoulli's linear differential equation. Let us see one example on this Bernoulli's differential equation. dy by dx plus x into sin 2y equal to x cube into cos square y. This is a Bernoulli's differential equation. For solving this, first we divide this differential equation with a function in y which is on right hand side. Function in y on right hand side is cos square y. So divide this differential equation with cos square y. We get 1 by cos square y into dy by dx plus x into sin 2y is 2 sin y cos y by divide with cos square y by cos square y equal to x cube cos square y by cos square y. Here cos square y cancelled and cos y square cancelled. We get 1 by cos square y is secant square y dy by dx plus 2 sin y by cos y is tan y 2 tan y into x equal x cube. Put tan y equal to z. Put tan y equal to z. Differentiate this one with respect to x. We get derivative of tan y is secant square y and derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx. Derivative of z with respect to x is dz by dx. So put secant square by dy by dx equal dz by dx in given d. So secant square by dy by dx equal to dz by dx. So put secant square by dy by dx equal dz by dx plus 2x into here tan y is nothing but z. 2x into z equal to x cube is here dependent variable contains power 1. So this is first degree term in z. First degree is nothing but linear. So this is linear differential equation in terms of z is a linear DE, linear differential equation in z. Linear differential equation in z is of the form dz by dx plus p of x into z equal to q of x. On comparing these two equations, we get p of x equal to 2x, p of x equal to 2x and q of x equal to x cube. We know that integrating factor of linear differential equation is e power integral p dx equal to e power integral p is nothing but p of x which is equal to 2x dx equal to e power 2 into integration of x is x square by 2. So 2 cancel. Integrating factor is x e power x square. We know that general solution of linear differential equation in terms of z is general solution of linear differential equation in z is z into integrating factor equal to integral q of x into integrating factor into dx plus c. This is the general solution of linear differential equation in z. So z into integrating factor, we get integrating factor is e power x square. So integrating factor is e power x square equal to integral q of x. Q of x is x cube and integrating factor which is e power x square into dx plus c. Here z is nothing but tan y. So z means tan y. Z equal tan y. Tan y into e power x square equal to integral x cube can be written as x into x square and here we get e power x square into dx plus c. Put x square equal to t. Put x square equal to t. Differentiate on both sides, we get derivative of x square is 2x dx equal to dt. 2x dx equal to dt implies x dx equal to half dt. Put x dx equal to half dt in this equation, we get on left hand side tan y into e power x square, tan y into e power x square equal to integral, here x square is t and e power x square is e power t. Remaining part x dx is half dt plus integration constant c. Here we apply integration by parts or chain rule. Now applying chain rule, first function here t is considered as first function, and e power t is considered as second function. For first function, applying derivative continuously until we get 0. Here derivative of t is 1 and derivative of 1 is 0. So we apply derivative to the first function continuously up to we get 0. And for second function, we applying integration of e power t. Integration of e power t is e power t. Again integration of, here we continuously applying the integration. Integration of e power t is e power t. Again integration of e power t is e power t. And we can multiply in this way and taking alternately plus minus. So integral t into e power t dt equal to, multiplying in this way, t into e power t, t e power t. Next we take minus 1 into e power t, minus e power t, and next 0 into e power t, 0. So integration is terminated. Plus integration constant c, half into, taking e power t as common, half into e power t into t minus 1 plus c. So general solution of Bernoulli's differential equation is tan y into e power x square equal to half into e power t is nothing but x square, the x square minus 1 plus c. This is the general solution. Thank you very much for watching ALS Max JEE YouTube channel.